From the streets of Naija to the heart of the nation. Now here we dey break the gist. News where everybody understand.
My people, today weather gets surprise package. Some places go wake up with fog, but later storm fit scatter evening. You dey watch Pidgin Vibez weather report, where we dey give you the real weather guests across Nigeria. For Sokoto, Katsina, Kebbi, and Zamfara, morning go start with light haze before sun begins show power. For Kano, Jigawa, and Kaduna, today na clear sky, but heat go rise reach 36 degrees. For Abuja, Naija, and Nasarawa, cloud go dey move small, but afternoon go still hot. For Plateau and Bauchi, late afternoon thunderstorm fit show face. For Lagos and Ogun, strong coastal breeze go blow from Atlantic side. For Oyo and Osun, na sunny afternoon, but humidity go high. For Delta, Edo, and Bayelsa, evening storm fit bring heavy rain. The Rivers and Akwa Ibom go likely see rainfall later tonight. For Enugu, Imo, Abia, and Anambra, sky go cloudy with light breeze. Across Nigeria today, temperature go range between 23 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius. So if you want run your hustle today, make you ready for sunshine, breeze, and small rain surprise. Pidgin Vibes go always bring you the correct weather update. Before you come out house tomorrow, check here first.